Hello, this is just a demonstration of a possible bug or glitch in the Icecream Screen Recorder app using Windows 10. Looks like if you hit the pause button and then, which is F7, and then hit F8 shortly afterwards, or hit F7 again to restart it, sometimes that timer notification will show up. So here's what it looks like if you do it too quickly. Okay, now if you take your time, let's see if it shows up. Let it go for a couple seconds and then I'll pause it and then I'm resuming it. My theory is that if you press the pause button and then give it a few seconds or a couple seconds before restarting it again, that it won't show up, or it won't show up as frequently. And my other theory is that if you press the F7 pause button over and over quickly, that occasionally you're going to see that show up at the video. And that's it. Have a good evening. Good night.